What's up guys, welcome back to another Muln video. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to welcome you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've been here for a while, I appreciate you. You know the drill. Go grab your coffee. Let's get right into it. Here's mine. Also, you're gonna wanna stay till the very end because I do have some chart analysis for you and I wanna show you why I'm very bullish on Muln stock right now. Let's get this video over 80 likes. I'm not even asking for 100, just 80 likes. We haven't hit even 75 yet, so let's get 80 likes and I'll keep bringing you Muln videos every single day. We will be the #1 channel when it comes to Muln stock, technical analysis, and the newest news out there. I'll give you my honest opinion. If you saw my video yesterday, I was telling you the good and the bad about Muln company and Muln stock price. Let's get into it. Guess what company got mentioned on Yahoo with a brand new article? Let's look at this. This article came out yesterday. Okay, 15 best electric car stocks to buy now. And yes, Muln was mentioned. Other companies were mentioned also, like NIO, like Rivian, like Lucid, but Muln was mentioned. What would be your guess of where Muln was placed? Well, you don't have to guess, I'll actually show you right now. Before I show you what number Muln was placed at, I want to show you this because I want to start to put some positive things in your head and why I say Muln will absolutely hit $1. Electric car stocks are increasingly becoming a popular investment option as the electric vehicle industry continues to grow. The global electric vehicle market is expected to reach a total market value of more than 1.1 trillion by 2030, according to a recent report from Beyond Market Insights. The global electric vehicle market was valued at 178.5 billion in 2021 and is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 22.5% from 2022 to 2030. 1.1 trillion. Okay. Now, I just showed you the top 15 EV companies that people are starting to talk about. I'm about to show you where Muln is placed out of that top 15. But I want you to think about, what if Muln only has 2 billion of this total market cap? That would easily put Muln over $1. Okay? Now, 2 billion out of 1.1 trillion is not a lot. I think they will require a lot more of that space. Here it is. So out of the top 15 Muln, they placed Muln at number 15. I'm not mad at it, okay? It's all good. So let's read this. Muln Automotive is an American electric vehicle company that manufactures and distributes electric vehicles. The company also owns CarHub, an AI-powered platform that offers buying and selling services of cars. On November 2nd, Muln Automotive Inc. announced that it has paid down 13 million of its debt, effectively bringing its current debt down to below 10 million. Muln Automotive Inc. is focusing on strengthening its balance sheet and is one of the best electric car stocks to buy now. What the heck is going on? This article just came out yesterday. Look at all the fear that's been happening. Everyone's scared. People are selling, shorting, dilution, everything. But now Muln is on Yahoo and people are talking about it as being one of the top EV stocks to buy right now. Okay. And I want to tell you guys something. If you look right here, it says number of hedge fund holders. 4. We've gone over which hedge funds own Muln stock. And I went down this list, guys. I read every 14, 13, 12, all the way down to like 5 or whatever. And what I started to notice was they were ranking these other companies, I believe, based on how many hedge funds were actually holding that company. So obviously Muln has the least amount of hedge funds. The next one that I saw, number 14, was some company I've never even heard of. And they had like 11 hedge fund holders. And then it kind of increased as the numbers went down. So I think that's a big reason why Muln is actually number 15. So once we start getting more hedge funds into this stock, this thing's going to go through the freaking roof. People are going to start talking about it. People are going to have FOMO. They're going to rush into this company. So there is absolutely no reason why I would be selling my Muln stock right now. Of course, nothing I say is financial advice. You got to do your own research. Make the best decisions for you and your family. Let's get into more of what they talked about. On December 1st, Muln Automotive announced that it has completed the acquisition of Electric Last Mile Solutions, a Michigan-based EV company. Elms plant in Mishawaka will now be used for the production of the Muln 5 SUV, the company's next-gen electric SUV. We've talked about this. At the end of Q3 2022, 4 hedge funds were bullish on Muln Automotive and disclosed a position worth $92 million. This is compared to 2 hedge funds of the previous quarter with stakes worth $12 million. The hedge fund sentiment for the stock is positive. Side note from when I said before, if we acquire just 2 billion of the trillion, there's 1,000 billion in a trillion. So all I'm really asking is, Muln, can you just do 2 billion? Because that'd be absolutely amazing. And your pockets, all of our pockets would be very full. All right, guys, so this is the very end. Before I get into this chart and show you exactly why I'm very, very bullish on the company, first of all, I want to say I appreciate you. Don't forget to like this video if you haven't yet. Our goal is to get 80 likes on this video, and I'm going to keep bringing you Muln information every single day, okay? Also, if you're trying to get more information on my trading account with Muln and how I have a long-term bag and I have a trading bag and my buy and sell alerts, check out my Patreon down below. It's $5 a month, 16 cents a day. Not a whole lot of money, but it does motivate me to bring you better content, more information every single day. We're gonna be the #1 channel. Also, if you're trying to change your life this next year, I have a lot of great videos for you. In the Patreon, it's gonna help you just really start to change your thinking, your mentality, really how you do certain things every single day. So check it out if you want. Let's get back into this. Thanks for staying so long. So the reason I'm very, very bullish on Muln is because look at this. I showed you guys what happened in October. We had a falling wedge, okay, and we shot through the freaking roof and went almost 200%. Now we have another falling wedge. And as you can see, we've been making very, very strong positive divergence. I put a blue arrow right there for you. And I put a line just to show you, okay? So this is very good news. So when I think about all the great news Muln is having, yes, there's shorting, yes, there's dilution. I get it, we're building a company, okay? It's a normal thing. But I see all the great news. They just hired someone that used to work with Ford for marketing and sales. Okay, they've hired people from GM. They've acquired assets. They've done a lot of great things. I hear the great news. The charts look great. The RSI is oversold. I would not be selling my positions right now. Of course, do what you gotta do. I get it. It's a very emotional roller coaster. But that's it for today, guys. Appreciate your time. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one.